Hey, hello YouTube viewers, this is Nawaz and it's been a long time I uploaded the video on YouTube, so I decided to make one. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can configure a load balancer using Nginx, which is a web server. So what is a load balancer? The basic concept here is that we're gonna balance the load which is coming from external network or internet to our internal servers or internal network. Cool? We're gonna balance that load. Like in this scenario we have two application web servers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it like the first request gonna go this, second will be this, and so on and so forth in the round robin fashion. Cool? So this is the basic idea what we're gonna do in this tutorial. Okay, let me open the terminal. Here, if you see I have let me close this, three containers. One is web01 and one is web02. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this web01 and web02 as my backend servers. If you see in this image, this is my backend servers, and I'm gonna use my host machine, which is Ubuntu, as a load balancer, which will be this, which will be talking to the internet. Cool? So for that, let's log into my root account here. Okay, let's SSH to this web servers. Cool. So here I have Apache installed, if you can see. Port 80. Also here, port 80 is open. Cool. Apache is installed. If you don't know what is Apache, how to install, how to configure, you can see my previous video. Cool. Here I'm gonna install Nginx. Let's see if I have Nginx present in my local default repository. Okay, cool, I have Nginx here. Nginx core, mod HTTP, nice. Okay, it's almost done. So we're gonna see in this video two way of load balancing. The one is a round robin fashion, which will be like the first request will go to web01, then second to web02, then third to this and like this. And the second way is we're gonna see the least connection way, is that the server which will have a least connection, for example this web01 has for example 100 connections and web02 have like somewhat 50 connections, then the request will automatically go to web02 and not to web01. Okay, let's start the service. System ctl start Nginx. If I check the status, okay, the default configuration file is it inside etc Nginx and nginx.conf. Maybe sites enable, maybe. Okay, we have nginx.conf. Sorry guys. Okay, we first take a backup of it. Let's do nginx.conf and /etc nginx.conf.og. Let's call it OG. This is my OG. nginx.conf. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna delete everything below HTTP. As you can see, the many things we don't need that. Let's just delete it. D Shift G O curly brace. Nice. Let's save it and open it again. Okay, I don't have VI editor. Wim tiny. Okay, cool. Okay. Now here we're gonna start with saying upstream, and let's say backend, maybe backend, and like this you're gonna open the curly brace, and here you'll say server web01.example.com and server, which is my server hosting, web02.example.com. Cool. And after that, you also open a server tag like this, and inside server you say location slash, and you open another like this, and let me make it more clear. Okay, cool. And in this location we say proxy underscore pass http:// to this upstream, which is my backends. Okay, and don't forget the semicolon, guys, it's very important. Okay, cool. Just save it and quits. Systemctl restart Nginx. Okay, cool. Nice. Now, if you see, I have my host entry here. That's why I can directly write this thing. Okay, if you don't have host entry or no DNS server, just write the IP address. It will work the same way. Okay, in our web server, my default document root is inside var.dub and HTML. Here I've created an index.html, which is web01, and also here I've created a web02. Okay, let's go to our web browser. Before that, let's see if my firewall is running. UFW status. Okay, cool, nice. SC status, nice. Okay, let's go here, and my IP address, I don't know. Okay, no IP. A WLO 1. Okay, it's 103. 192.168.0.103. So here, if you see in the configuration, let me just open it up for you. What we basically did here, we're saying Apache, we have this backend servers, and what we're going to do is we're going to load balance it between these two backend servers, and the location is slash, which is my document root, and we're going to pass the proxy. Here, if you see, we haven't mentioned anything like a round robin or least connection, IP hash, or anything. So by default, it's going to take a round robin fashion. So if I go to this, you see web 1. If I try to refresh, you see web 2. Okay, web 1, web 2. This is round robin, like one after the other. Okay, cool. Now another way you can do is called least connection method. So in least connection, what you're gonna do is just gonna come here. Sorry. Just gonna come here. If you also want to change the port number, you can say like listen and port 8080 here. I don't want to do that. If you want to do anyway. So for least connection, you do least con and this. Save and quit. Also, don't forget to restart the service. Anytime you make any changes in the configuration, don't forget to restart the service. Why? Least con, if I okay, say like an F var log nginx and error log maybe. Yes, least con directive is not allowed here in nginx.conf. Okay, no problem. So we're just gonna delete that, no problem. And if I try to restart, okay, cool. So if you don't know anything about load balancing using Nginx, you can always go to Google and search for Nginx load balancer, and the first link maybe probably this is talks.nginx.com. Go here and you will know everything about load balancing. If you see, so it says least con. Okay, we mention here, not here actually. Okay, cool. If I try to do that, go to my terminal, vim tiny. Okay, here we mention like least connection, restart the service. Okay, cool. Now if I try to check my web browser, okay, so basically here I don't have any connection, so it's just doing the round robin. Okay, cool. So in this video we'll learn how you can load balance using Nginx. Cool, nice. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and till then, take care, see ya.